What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another quick video. Now I am going to be unboxing today one of our brand new humidor ranges, and they are simply stunning. They are from Jemar humidors, handcrafted in Italy, and I've got the black African print here. It's an amazing looking, just a real deep grain on the top there and all the way around the box. It's got a considerable amount of weight to it as well. It's very stunning to look at. If you open it up here, you've got a nice little divider inside there so you can separate your Cubans and your New Worlds if you're that way inclined. An incredible looking cedar lining there. The grain is just stunning to look at. It's definitely something that's going to catch the eye every time you open your humidor and delve into your stogies. Every single humidor does come with all of the setup things that you need. It's going to come with an analog hygrometer and also polymer beads. However, I would suggest using our upgrade service to upgrade to a digital hygrometer. It's going to be much more accurate and much more easier to calibrate and just maintain. And I would also suggest going for Boveda pouches. Minimal effort, minimal maintenance. All you need to do is stick your Boveda pouch inside your humidor and you're away. I'm going to just closely look at some of the details on here today. So we've got these really intricate hinge systems here in gold on this, so it kind of contrasts with the lovely black finish on this humidor. These are amazing and unbelievably well priced. It's quite a small boutique brand, so they are going to stand out from the crowd. Everyone's got their Adarinis, everyone's got their, their normal humidors, but Jemar humidors to me come in some of the most unbelievable colors and unbelievable finishes. Definitely something that if you're looking for a gift for yourself or for someone who is into the hobby, this is going to be the one for you. They are currently at one of our lowest prices ever. We've got them all on offer. Head over to the website right now to pick yourself up one. It's cigars.com, that's cgars.com. And if you want to see some more details about some of our accessories, let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe this video. And until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.